What happens inside a black hole? Imagine this. You are floating in space. In front of you, something completely dark. No light, no surface, no shape you can truly understand. A black hole. Now imagine you move closer, and then suddenly there's no turning back. You've crossed a boundary where escape is no longer possible. What happens next is not just dangerous. It's something that may break everything you think you know about reality. Black holes are not just objects. They are regions of space where gravity becomes so strong that nothing can escape. Not even light. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, crushing everything into a single point, a singularity, surrounded by an invisible boundary called the event horizon. And once you cross it, there is no way back. Let's say you decide to get closer. At first, nothing seems unusual. You're just drifting in space, but then light around you starts to bend. Stars behind the black hole stretch and distort. Time itself begins to behave differently. From your perspective, everything feels normal. But to someone far away, you are slowing down. Your movements appear stretched, as if time around you is beginning to freeze. This is called gravitational time dilation. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. Near a black hole, this effect becomes extreme. Minutes for you could be years for someone watching from afar. You are not just moving through space, you are moving into a different flow of time. Now you reach the edge, the event horizon. There's no visible line, no warning sign. From your point of view, nothing special happens at the exact moment you cross it. But physically, everything has changed. You are now trapped. Every possible path forward leads deeper inside. As you fall further, gravity starts pulling differently on different parts of your body. Your feet, closer to the center, feel a stronger pull than your head. This difference stretches you, longer and thinner, until eventually you are pulled apart at the atomic level. This process is known as spaghettification, and there is no surviving it. At the center, everything collapses into a single point. Infinite density, zero volume, a place where gravity becomes infinite, and our understanding breaks completely. No current theory can fully describe what happens there. It's the edge of physics itself. Now imagine someone watching you from far away. They never see you fall in. To them, you slow down, more and more, until you appear frozen at the edge, fading, becoming dimmer, until you disappear completely. You never cross the horizon from their perspective, even though you already did. There's something even stranger. Black holes are not completely black. They slowly lose energy through a process called Hawking radiation. Over unimaginable periods of time, they evaporate. Even these massive objects eventually disappear. The information paradox. And that leads to one of the biggest mysteries. What happens to the information about everything that falls inside? According to physics, information cannot be destroyed, but inside a black hole, it seems to vanish. This contradiction is known as the information paradox, and it remains unsolved. So what really happens inside a black hole? The honest answer is, we don't fully know, because black holes are not just objects in the universe. They are boundaries where our understanding ends, and maybe where a deeper reality begins. So the next time you look into the night sky, remember this. Somewhere out there, there are places where space, time, and reality itself stop making sense.